Good morning, students of class 4. Welcome back to online classes after a long time, isn't it? I hope you all are well, alright? Today we will start the poem Summer Sun in your English literature book. So open the poem Summer Sun in your English literature book, okay? And we will start this poem today. Summer Sun by Robert Louis Stevenson. Today's date is the 1st, alright. So Robert Louis Stevenson was a Scottish novelist, poet, essayist and travel writer. Okay, so before we start the poem, let us summarize the poem a little bit. What is this poem about? Alright, let us see what the poem is about. In this poem, the speaker describes different aspects of the sun's character. So in this poem, the speaker is telling us different aspects of the sun's character, okay? When the sun travels across the sky every day, it is calm and composed. So the speaker is telling us that when the sun is traveling across the sky every day, it is calm and it is composed. In summer, however, the sun is very bright. In the summer, however, it grows brighter, okay? It starts to grow mischievous. As you know, summertime, the sun is very bright and it starts to grow a little mischievous, okay? It stealthily enters through the blinds on the windows and warms up the room, okay? So it stealthily enters, okay? Through the blinds of the windows, okay? Through the blinds on the windows. What is blinds? Blinds meaning the curtains, okay? Through the curtains, through the blinds which is on the windows, it enters and warms up the room and makes the room warm. Its rays reach every dark and cold corner and warm them. So its rays reach every dark and cold corner and makes it warm. The sun spreads happiness and cheer even when it sets down. Okay, so even when it is setting, the sun spreads happiness and cheer, painting the sky with beautiful vivid shades of red. So painting the sky in beautiful vivid shades of red. Okay, so it paints the sky in beautiful vivid shades of red. Alright. So this is a little summary of the poem. Now let us see what the poem has in store for us. Summer Sun by Robert Louis Stevenson. Alright, let us start the poem, students. So, great is the sun and wide he goes through empty heaven with repose. And in the blue and glowing days, more thick than rain, he showers his rays. So the sun is very great. The sun is great and he goes far and wide through the empty heaven with repose. So it goes through the empty heaven with repose. Repose meaning a state of being calm, in a very calm and composed manner. In the blue and glowing days, okay, more thick than rain, he showers his rays. In the blue and glowing days, he is more thick than rain and he showers his rays. Showers his rays meaning shines very brightly. He shines extremely brightly. Though closer still the blinds we pull to keep the shady parlour cool. Yet he will find a chink or two to slip his golden fingers through. So though closer still the blinds we pull. What is blinds? Blinds meaning screens for a window to shut the light out, like curtains, okay? So we pull the blinds, we pull the curtains to keep the parlour cool, to keep the shady parlour cool. Parlour meaning the drawing room, okay? To keep the drawing room cool, we pull the curtains. But still, he meaning the sun still finds a chink or two. Chink meaning a very narrow crack or opening, a crack or opening through the blinds. He finds a crack or an opening. And he slips his golden fingers through, meaning he slips his golden ray of light through the gaps of the curtains and still enters the room. Alright. The dusty attic spider clad, he through the keyhole maketh glad, and through the broken edge of tiles into the lathered hay loft smiles. So The dusty attic. The attic is very dusty. Spider clad meaning full of spiders. So the attic is full of spiders. And the sunshine comes through the keyhole. Make it glad meaning making everything happy. Makes happy. The sunshine comes through the keyhole and makes everything happy. Okay. And through the broken edge of tiles, through the broken edges of the tiles. Okay. Also, the sunshine goes in. Okay. Through every gap and every opening, the sunshine goes inside. Next page, students, please come. Meantime, his golden face around, he bears to all the garden ground, and sheds a warm and glittering look among the ivy's inmost nook. So meantime, his golden face around. Okay. So all around his golden ray of light he is giving. He bears to all the garden ground. Bears meaning he shows. Okay. He gives his sunshine to the whole garden ground. To the whole garden. Okay. He sheds his warm and glittering look. Okay. He gives his warm and glittering meaning shining look. His warm ray of light and shining, sunshine among the ivy's inmost nook. Among the ivy's in the garden. Okay. Inmost nook meaning to say the nook meaning in every corner, in every nook and corner, the sunshine gives its ray of, the sun gives its ray of light. It gives its sunshine. Above the hills along the blue. So above the hills it gives its sunshine along the blue sky. Round the bright air with footing true. Okay. In the bright air. Okay. With footing. Footing meaning a firm position of the feet. So it's a very every day the firm position of the feet. Okay. So every day the sun gives sunshine. Okay. Every day the sun comes and gives bright sunshine. To please the child, to paint the rose, the gardener of the world he goes. So every day he comes and gives sunshine. To please the children, to please the child, to please the children. To paint the rose, to give the rose to make the rose look brighter with the sun rays. And the gardener of the world, he gives sunshine to the whole world. He's the gardener of the world and he goes from one place to another, giving sunshine to the entire world. Okay. So this is the poem, students. I hope it is clear to you. You will learn the poem nicely and write it in your English literature copy. Alright. Let us come to the word meanings for today. Some difficult word meanings are given to you. You have to write them in your English literature copy. Learn the word meanings well. Alright. Repose, a state of being calm. Showers his rays, shines very brightly. Blinds, screen for a window to shut the light out. Parlor meaning drawing room. Chink, a narrow crack or opening. Spider clad, full of spiders. Make it glad, makes happy. Bears, shows. Nook, corner. Footing, a firm position of the feet. I hope this is clear to you. You will write this in your English literature copy. Thank you, students. This is all for today. I hope the poem is clear to you. You learn it nicely and write it in your English literature copy. Learn the word meanings also well and write it in your English literature copy. We will continue the question and answers in the next class. Thank you, students, and God bless you.